Hey guys, myself Rakesh and I welcome you back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is a substring. What is a substring? So first of all we need to understand what is the meaning of substring. For example, if I write hello world. So the substring, for example, only world from this entire sentence will become a substring. So this entire thing is a string. Now from that, some portion of that string will become a substring. It could be even one word, it could be multiple words, or in between, anything, a portion of it will become a substring. Okay, so what is the practical use of finding a substring? For example, there are certain areas where you will see product ID, right? Product ID equals to, wherein they will have a common word at the beginning, PRD, and then there will be a number. Every time it will repeat. A common PRD will remain common, right, as a prefix. So let's say we do not need the prefix, we only need the last one. Then I need to understand how the substring works. Otherwise, in such a project, I will fail. I will only be able to pull the substring if I do not know. So I must understand what is a substring. So that is the practical use. Now, first of all, let's understand how it works. So as I said, the moment you type a string, it gets stored in an array format. When I say array, what you do, you just it is in the horizontal way, turn it into a vertical way, this word. So first one is H, second one is E, third one is L, O, like that. So the first word H is there in the 0 position. Remember, this is very important. The first word is there in the index number 0, then the index number 1, then this word is in 3, like that it will continue. So the first one starts from 0. Even the space will have its position. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth is the position of the space. So let's say I want to extract, if I write something like this, A, within the square bracket, if I'm going to write 0, what is the output? The output will be H. So let's see that. Let me execute. So you can see the output has come as H. What if I am going to type let's say 6, Control S and F5. So the moment I am typing a number, it is pulling a specific word. It's saying in the 6th position W is there. In the 6th position W is present. So that means the number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So this much you have understood. Now let's say I want world. So I want world. So what I will do, I'll put a colon and leave it blank. So the moment I leave it blank, or let's say from 6th to 7th I want, or let's say from 6th to 8th I want. So this is the 6th position, 6th, 7th, 8th. So 8th is the last point. This won't be fetched. Only our output will be 6 and 7. 8th is the last point. Okay, so remember 8th is the last point. So the output should be WO. So Control S, F5. What is the output? WO. What if I'm going to type 9? So what would happen? 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th is not considered. So WOR. Getting it? So this understanding is very important. So WOR has come. Let's say I want the entire thing after this. So leave it blank. 6 till blank. Control S, F5. So what would happen? Entire world has come. The same thing in an opposite way you can do it. For example, this one you have understood. Let's say I want hello. So what is the starting position? 0, right? Sorry. So the starting position of H is 0. So I'm going to write 0 and the last position is in 5th, right? Space is 5th. So I'll say 5th. So what will happen? What output will I get? Control S, F5. So the output is hello. Okay. Let's say I don't want the first index. So I can leave this as blank. So anything from 5th on before that it will pull. Control S, F5. Getting it? These are very simple syntaxes. Very simple syntaxes. You should remember everything is written in square bracket and colon is used to define the position of the word from where you would like to fetch. So this is very clear. Now what would happen? Did you experiment if you type -1? Will it be accepted? Yes. Control S, F5. What is the output? It has given 1. So -1 means it is start from the end of the string. So that means this is -1. Let's say I want to pull world using minus. So what you do, the position of this is, if you count from here, -1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's say I'm going to say, let's try that. So I'm going to say -6, the starting point, till -1. So if you Control S, do F5, so what has come? World has come. Let's say I don't want to mention the -1, I need the colon, so leave that blank, Control S, F5. Getting it? So all these things you have learned, pretty simple. Now let's understand a practical use of it. Okay, so as I said, product ID. So most of the companies, generally you have seen, they will have a prefix. Some prefix will be there. Let's say ticket number. Okay, generally you must be seeing a ticket number generally. So a company will maintain their own standards, ticket number. Okay, and the ticket number, every ticket will have, let's say, something called INC. It will start with, okay, INC, that means incident, and then there is a number. Okay, so I don't need that INC, I just need the ticket number. Okay, so that will continue for all the tickets. They will have INC, 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 and then there's a different number, there's a unique number. So if I need only this number, what should I do? If I know substring, what I will do, I want to transfer that number to a variable, so I'll say X. Okay, and then I want the substring of it. So what I will do, so this is available in ticket number. So I'm using the variable as it is, because variables are case sensitive, and then I will use square bracket, and within the square bracket I know the position I need to start as 0 1 2 0 1 2, I need to start from 3, so I will say 3 onwards, so I will say 3 colon, so that means whatever after that I want it. Getting it? And then hit on enter. So I want to print the X value. So let's see how the output is coming. Control S, F5. So what is the output? I got 1 2 3 4 5 6. Getting it? So this is one of the practical use once you know how the substring works. So thank you guys for watching it. We are going to come up with one more interesting topic. Thank you. Take care.